Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware, charge the earbuds in case, and open the case to power them on. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it within about 3 meters for a stable signal. Make sure the JBL Headphones app is installed. This simplifies firmware updates and settings. Now, press and hold the earbuds pairing button until the LED flashes. This puts them into pairing mode. You do this because it makes the earbuds discoverable, allowing your device to connect quickly and reliably. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth menu and select JBL Tour Pro 2 when it appears. Tap Connect. If prompted, accept any pairing requests. This links the devices. Use the JBL Headphones app to follow a guided pairing flow and check for firmware updates. Updating can fix bugs and improve audio. Make sure the audio codec matches your phone. Choose AAC for most iPhones or SBC/aptX on compatible Androids because the codec affects latency and sound quality. Finally, configure touch controls, active noise canceling, and voice assistant settings in the app so the earbuds behave the way you want. Test calls and media, make small volume adjustments, low levels protect hearing, and balanced EQ improves clarity. If connection problems occur, first reset the earbuds. Hold both for 10 seconds to factory reset, then forget the device on your phone and repair. If problems persist, restart your phone and retry. This clears Bluetooth stacks and often resolves lingering pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.